Okay, guys, so I want to show you guys what is the best way to store your tea bombs. And you guys can actually thank me later for this video. So they actually sell these clear plastic candy wrappers on Amazon. I will leave a link down below where you can purchase them. Okay, so you grab your tea bomb, right, and you place it inside the bag gently, right? And then there's like a little sticky pill thing right here that you just pull off, right? And you just fold this over, and voila, it's that simple. Now, uh, normally, when we make tea bombs, right? If we leave them out in just the air, especially in the summertime, they have a tendency to melt within the, just within the heat in the environment. But what I find is if you do this and you put it in the fridge, like on the fridge door, it'll be there forever and nothing will happen to it. And I kind of just discovered this from just kind of like messing around and seeing, what works. So, yeah, it's pretty simple. This is all you have to do to store your tea bomb, and they'll last for as long as you want. I'm going to show you one that I've had in the fridge for over a week now, so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is the one that I've had in the fridge for over a week. I'm just going to unwrap it so you can see. Okay, this is one of my messed up ones. But as you can see, it's not sticky. Well, it's a little, but it's not. But if you let this sit out, it will just get back to, to normal. It's not like, like it doesn't look distorted. That's basically what I'm trying to say. Yeah, and if you store them like that in the fridge, they'll last for as long as you leave them there. Yeah, that's what I've been doing, and so far that's worked. As you see, like I see as it's sitting out in the air a little bit more, it kind of comes back together. Yeah, so that's what I've done. It's worked. If you try it, you'll like it. Let me know. I do sell these on Etsy. I'm also going to leave a link for where you can purchase my tea bombs. Okay, and now these are finished. So I also purchased this clear plastic on Amazon. Also, I will leave a link for where I purchased these. I actually love these because they're like pretty hard and firm, so you don't get that indentation like if you mail them. I hate when I mail these and they crack. So this is like a very sturdy cupcake plastic. So I will definitely leave a link for where you can purchase these also. But that's basically it. This is how I package my tea bombs to ship them. And so far since I started doing this, I've had absolutely no problem. So if anyone is making tea bombs and you're interested in selling them, I hope this video helped you. If you like this, go ahead, like, subscribe, share. Thank you.